Only just for a ready up to Navanna. All are very much accessible to Navanna. They will hand over a simple memorandum to the concerned through you. They won't enter into the Navanna. That I also say. They won't enter into the edifice because that edifice is strictly closed by our Chief Minister. I know that this is a really very sordid pride that we are facing here, but I am still optimistic that some sort of reason must be prevailed upon you. My submission is very poor submission. It is a very simple submission. If you think that I am demanding much more, then you will ask myself.
আমাদের ফোর্সটা ব্যাক করে চলে চলুন পরে কথা
They've given a memorandum to me, sir.
ঠিক আছে হয়ে গেছে তো